Friends, I'm excited to share this home with you. My name is Sean Collier and I'm a realtor with Beverly-Hanks Realtors in Asheville, North Carolina. It's my new listing, 40 Windcliff Drive, which is located in Poplar Ridge. I hope you enjoy your tour. Searching for a luxury home in Asheville, North Carolina, but struggling to find a home that can accommodate your car collection, a boat, or perhaps flex space for a hobby. That can be hard to find. However, this home is perfect for someone looking for that extra space in their next home. In addition to the unique amount of garage space, this home also showcases some of the most beautiful views in western North Carolina. And get this, it's located within a gated community only 20 minutes from downtown Asheville. I hope you enjoyed your video tour of 40 Windcliff Drive in Asheville. As you can see, this home offers many highly desirable features and spectacular long-range mountain views. If you would like more information about this property, please contact me at the phone number or email address provided at the end of the video. Also, please be sure to follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube social media platforms so you can stay up to date on Asheville homes like this one. I look forward to helping you in the future.